the time of 2020 when Donald Trump lost the election of president, and after that he think he will be never be again to become a next president of USA. But due to some reason, due to most powerful reason, in 2024 election, Donald Trump win and become the powerful president of the total economy and the whole world. And you want to know how it happened, how it could happen that Donald Trump win the again election. Let's know about this. The most powerful reason is Elon Musk. As you know about him, Elon Musk is the most powerful and the wealthiest person in the human history, crossing over $400 billion of net worth in the human history. He is the one of the first person who crossed their limit of $400 billion of net worth. Main source of Elon net worth is his company. As you know about him, he runs more than 5 to 6 company like SpaceX, Tesla, Hyperloop, Neuralink, OpenAI, XAI, and Twitter. As you know about Tesla having a valuation of more than $800 billion, SpaceX having a valuation than more than $150 billion, and Neuralink having a more than valuation of $5 to $10 billion. These are the just source of net worth. Then some people think why I am connecting Elon Musk, I am putting Elon Musk into this video. And if you know about him, Elon Musk helped the Donald Trump to become the president of USA. Let me explain you. In 2024 election, Donald Trump also stand in the election of 2024 for the president of USA. But he think he could be never be able to win this election. But Elon Musk helps him publicly. Elon Musk publicly say if you help the Donald Trump to become a president, it means if you vote the Donald Trump, I will be give you money. It means the vote exchange to money. And these are the action taken by Elon Musk. And this thing help Elon Musk and Donald Trump to become the president of USA. And if you know, Elon Musk is also influence person, and he have money, name, fame, everything. So these are the reason to becoming, and these are the reason that Donald Trump become a president of USA. And the main question is that Elon Musk are able to help the Donald Trump to become a president of USA just by publicly action, then why he can't be become a president of USA? If you have a question also like this, then I am explaining you why he can't be become a president of USA. The reason is one means if someone want to become the president of USA, it is important to a birthplace of USA. But Elon Musk birthplace is South Africa. This is the reason why he can't be become to USA president. And for me, one thing is if you have a money, power, name, and fame, the rule is just for a written words for you. And if you think also like this, then comment down. And if you like this video, then like me and also subscribe my channel.